Hi everyone, it's Christina here. Welcome back to my kitchen. This is the place where we learn how to bake and cook together every week. This week I'm going to show you how to make a very easy and very tasty snack. We are going to make some cheese straws. We had them over the fire in the garden with a glass of wine. They were really nice. They went down a treat, and I do hope you try to make them, and if you do, don't forget to tell me because I would love to see them. There are pictures on my Instagram account, which is @Christina's Cuisine, and I will take you through the process step by step on the YouTube video. So if you do like what you see here today and you're not one of my subscribers yet, don't forget to subscribe and tap that little bell, because that way you get notifications every time we put a video up. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until next time, go bake an egg. Take care of yourselves. Okay guys, so I've lined a tin with baking paper, and I'm preheating the oven at 180 degrees. And the ingredients for the cheese straws: 100 grams of salted butter, and 200 grams of self-raising flour, 125 grated cheddar cheese, which is a very rich, mature cheddar because we like this one, 1 egg lightly beaten. I'm going to use a bit of dill. You don't have to if you don't like it. A bit touch of pepper and a touch of salt, and I am also going to use some pumpkin seeds, which are a little gem I found in Costco the other day, because I think they're going to bring a lot of flavor. I'm just going to spread it on top. First things first, we're going to rub the butter with the flour. There we go. I also forgot to tell you that the butter should be cold, so straight from the fridge. And now we're going to add the cheese. And mix it in. And now we start adding the egg. You might not need it all because you just need it to be a bit doughy, that's all. So just see if you can make a dough. If not, add a bit more egg. It's a bit crumbly. In goes the whole egg. Still wet. We can add a bit more flour. I can't wait to have these. We're having a and wine by the fire pit nights, and these are going to be just the perfect addition for the wine. Here we go. Yep, so you do that until you have a full tray. I'll bake them for about 10-12 minutes, so I'll come back to you once they're done to show you. Stay tuned. So first tray, they're all done. Oh, and they smell absolutely incredible. Yum, yum, yum. And now second tray goes in. Second tray is going to be fried onions on top. And I have a few spares, which I'm probably going to do a bit of olives or a bit of cheese. But thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed. And if you do try to make them, don't forget, tag me in it. See you soon.